In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add Payment Method on Firefox for iPhone. This simplifies online transactions by enabling the browser's autofill feature, allowing you to make purchases quickly without repeatedly entering your payment details. To do this, simply head to Firefox. You want to tap onto these three lines and select Settings. Onto this page, navigate into the section of Privacy. Select Payment Methods. You might be required to enter your iPhone passcode. Turn on this option of Save and Autofill Payment Method. Once done, tap on this plus icon to enter your card details. If everything is done, simply tap on Save. Your payment details will be saved successfully. This feature is especially useful for frequent online shoppers, ensuring a seamless and efficient checkout process. Well, that's how easy it is to add Payment Method on Firefox for iPhone. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like. Share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.